So that was the story of the markets then, but one of the most difficult struggles to limit the effects of the virus is already being played out too in the homes of elderly and disabled people, the length and breadth of the UK. Many rely on care workers coming in and out to look after them. ITV News understands the government will issue guidance to care workers tomorrow. Those on the coronavirus front line say they need emergency funding and help from the government.
How long is it saying until we get there?
It is their job to look after the vulnerable, but right now it takes extra care.
Good morning, Mary. How are you?
At each door, there's the risk it's not just the carers calling. Hands are washed every time they enter.
Okay, I'm just going to make your bed for you, OK?
The people they visit are often alone, but coronavirus could mean enforced isolation.
Well, I think it's a worry to everybody, isn't it? You'd probably be depressed if you didn't get anybody.
Because you rely on these people?
You do rely on these people.
How would you feel if you accidentally brought coronavirus into a home like this?
Oh, awful. You know, that's something that we don't want to happen, and that's something that we are trying to prevent by making everybody aware of wearing your PPE, your hand washing.
Especially when others on their rounds already have health problems.
Good morning.
It is a worry for me because I've got an autoimmune system problem anyway. So any cold or cough, it affects me badly. I don't go out myself now.
There are other concerns at the care company's headquarters.
But as you can see here...
2 bottles of hand sanitizer.
That's right.
Their usual suppliers are all out.
Where are you having to find this stock now?
eBay, Amazon, we've been going around actual shops.
And then there's the emergency equipment.
So we're talking about respirators, full body hazmat suits.
One member of staff here has already had to self-isolate. The manager predicts a care crisis if the government doesn't act.
We keep sort of getting pushed aside and forgotten, the sector's got 100,000 vacancies, so something like this crisis is really now showing that up.
ITV News understands the government will give care providers new guidance tomorrow.
Thank you. See you later.
But as the virus spreads, not everyone is safer shut off from the outside. Paul Brand, News at 10, Hertfordshire.